hardtop cabriolets, Volkswagen EOS, some of the Mercedes, anything with sunroofs have an issue where there's a junction in behind this panel, which is a drains down to the ground, get water off your turret. These have an issue where the hose causes a problem and they leak through here. So you get in and out of the car and there's water dripping from here. If you're unlucky you don't see it, the front floor will be soaking wet. There's the drain there for the roof. Drains down through here. What happens is that hose splits, drips out of here, or runs all the way down through here, then drips out of this junction here, and it runs outside, you end up water here, down there, and under your mat. So this is where I found the water leak. If you have a look here, these hard tops join and they don't seal very well. Also, the line cracks. So you pop this off. Let me get it off of here without breaking anything. Pop that off. There it is, loose. So the water then drips inside that panel, runs all the way down there. So how I'm going to fix it is clean this up. I ducked down to J-Car and purchased this heat shrink, which is 19mm. This will fit inside, so I'll cut a length to cover that tube, put some adhesive between this piece and this junction, so there's a sealant here. Heat shrink will go down past there. I heat it up, shrink it. This heat shrink is internal adhesive, you can hear it sticky. So once you heat it down, it'll attach to here. Just make sure this is all nice and clean. So now I've cleaned it up and it's sitting there. Grab the heat gun, just warm it slightly just to make sure it's dry and clean. What I've done is added some adhesive inside the joint and inside the tube, on the outside of the tube. So when these two go together, they will bond. Inside, so I'll get a screwdriver and just wipe that out from inside. That's pretty clear. Now the excess has been cleared out. The next step, put the heat shrink on, heat it up. Heat shrink is shrunk down. Still a little warm, but I want to put it in position. So we just pop that on here, like that. Clip that into there where it came from. Sealed. Back together.